Hello, this is my entry to the UHU Glue Competition. Have you ever found yourself with a cold or a cough that you just can't seem to find anything to help cure your illness? Well, look no further, because I've created the ultimate cold and cough first aid kit. I've made this kit with Lock-It super glue. Let's have a look at the kit. On the front, you can see that I have glued some strepsils to the front for quick access. If we look to the side, we have nasal inhalers on each side of the box, so you can just unscrew it and it's come off, but you can just on the back we have some strepsils and Albus blackcurrant pastels. Unfortunately, they are glued down to the box, so you can't take them off. But if you do find yourself with a sore throat, you could just lick them. Inside the box, we have some cough syrup, which is handy if you have a cough, and some Germaline, which isn't really for coughs and colds, but it is handy if you have a minor burn or graze on your skin. So that is my entry to the UHU Glue Competition.